Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a GitHub webhook in 2025, step by step. Whether you want to trigger automated scripts, integrate with other apps, or just stay updated with repository changes, webhooks are the key. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have your GitHub repository connected and automated like a pro. Access GitHub and sign in first. Head over to github.com and click the Sign In button. Enter your username and password, and you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. This is where all your repositories live and where the magic begins. Locate your repository. Next, find the repository where you want to add a webhook. You can either select it from your recent repositories or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you're in, you're ready to configure the webhook. Navigate to Repository Settings. On the repository page, look to the right-hand side menu and click Settings. This will take you to all the configuration options for your repository, including webhooks, integrations, and more. Configure webhooks, scroll down the Settings menu and click on Webhooks in the left sidebar. Then hit the Add Webhook button. This opens a simple form where you'll input all the details needed to connect your repository to external services. Input webhook details. Here's the important part, payload URL. Enter the URL where GitHub will send post requests. Make sure it's publicly accessible. Content type, choose JSON, which is the default and widely recommended. Trigger events. Decide which actions in your repository will trigger the webhook. You can pick specific events like push or choose just about anything if you want to capture all activity. For most users, the push event is the most common and useful. Add the webhook. Once all the fields are filled, scroll down and click the green Add Webhook button, and that's it. Your webhook is now live, automatically sending updates whenever the selected events happen in your repository. And there you have it, a fully configured GitHub webhook in just a few minutes. Now you can automate workflows, integrate with apps, or just keep track of changes seamlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more coding and GitHub tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.